Hello everyone, welcome back to the Celestial Cryptoverse channel. Today is 1st of July 2022. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of today's main headlines. Okay, so we got FTX and BlockFi announce a deal. Facebook tests Ethereum and Polygon NFTs on profiles. Grayscale takes SEC to court over Bitcoin ETF, and Tether reduces commercial paper holdings. But before we get to these, to the market overview and these headlines, if you could hit that like, share, subscribe button, that will help this channel greatly producing daily crypto and financial news content. So let's go ahead and look at the market overview. Okay, so market overview. So it looks like stock kicks off July with gains after the S&P worst first half of the year since 1970. So looking at today, July 1st, Dow Jones gained about 1% or 321 points, closing at 31,097. S&P closed at 3,825 points, up 39 points from yesterday, up 1%. And NASDAQ is at 11,127 close, up 0.90%, and up 99 points today. So that's the equity market. So good start for July. But the first half of the year, as I said earlier, was S&P's worst first half of the year since 1970. So let's hope that the next half of the year is better. Only time will tell, right, guys? Okay, so let's go ahead and look at cryptocurrencies now. Crypto today, a little bit bumped. We're back at 900 billion in market cap for all crypto, which is good. Up 1.5% from yesterday. Bitcoin dominance at 40.67%, and Bitcoin is up 2.6% at 19,446 right now. Still down from 20,000 support level, but it's a little bit up today. Looking at Ethereum, we are looking at a 4.2% bump today on Ethereum, now trading at $1,070 as well. So crypto market overall a little bit up today as well. So now let's go ahead and take a look at some of today's big headlines. So one of the big headlines today is cryptocurrency lending company BlockFi announced on Friday that it has reached an agreement with FTX US, the U.S. division of the crypto exchange led by billionaire Sam Bankman-Fried, for a revolving line of credit and potential acquisition. So here's a tweet by Zach Prince. So it looks like the deal represents a total value of $680 million, according to Zach Prince, BlockFi CEO, an option to acquire BlockFi at a variable price of up to $240 million based on performance trigger. So so they signed a definite agreement. Still subject to shareholder approval, but between them and FTX, $400 million revolving credit facility, which is subordinate to all client funds, and an option to acquire BlockFi at a variable price of up to $240 million. So that's good for BlockFi. FTX has been in the news a lot. Looks like they're helping bailing out other crypto companies, or at least acquiring them at this crypto bear market. So if you have cash right now, you could buy businesses at a discount, especially struggling ones. So that's good for FTX stepping in and helping BlockFi out with that. So kudos to them. Next piece of news, it looks like we have Facebook, or Meta, has begun rolling out NFTs to some of its US creators on Facebook. They are starting with Ethereum and Polygon NFTs and will support Solana and Flow in the future. Meta project manager Navdeep Sain shared a sneak peek of what the NFT looks like on Facebook um, in a tweet. So here's the tweet. Users can now showcase their digital collectibles on their profile. So this is a little preview of things to come. Users will be able to connect their crypto wallet to their Facebook profiles and will be able to turn their NFTs into Facebook posts, which can be reacted to, liked, commented on, and shared just like any other post. Meta had previously begun rolling out NFTs on Instagram for some creators in certain countries in May. Adam Mosseri, head of Instagram, previously said that Instagram is launching NFT features in part because of the growing creator economy. And for those of you who don't know, Instagram is also a subsidiary under Meta. So yeah, that's cool. You'll be able to showcase your digital collectibles soon on Facebook and Instagram. Okay guys, so next piece of news. So we have SEC is at it again, rejecting Grayscale's bid to convert its Bitcoin investment product into an ETF. Grayscale has had its it and is now going. They pretty much had it basically. They're like, you know what, we're going to take you to court. So they're going to file. They're going to pretty much take SEC to court regarding this matter. Grayscale has been very clear that they're preparing for a fight and intended to take the fight to the U.S. courts. In the SEC ruling, they said that Grayscale spot ETF application did not do enough to protect investors from, quote, fraudulent and manipulative acts and practices, end quote. After the announcement was made, CEO Michael Soneshin of Grayscale tweeted that they filed a lawsuit against SEC, as you can see from this tweet right here. So Grayscale is filing a petition for review with the United States Courts of Appeals for the District of Columbia to challenge the decision to deny conversion of Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust to a spot Bitcoin ETF. According to Grayscale, the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust currently has $12.9 billion under management. Shares in Grayscale Bitcoin Trust have traded at significantly less than the net value of the Bitcoin held by the Grayscale funds since February 2021. By changing the trust into a spot Bitcoin ETF, Grayscale hopes to correct Grayscale's Bitcoin Trust's discount and allow the investment firm to charge lower fees, making it easier to move money in and out of the funds. So this is an interesting one. I believe SEC allows a Bitcoin future, but getting a spot Bitcoin ETF is like pulling teeth for some reason. Like the SEC does not want a spot Bitcoin ETF, but we shall see. Hopefully Grayscale can win this matters and get one of the first Bitcoin spot ETFs out in the U.S. market to trade. So yeah, we'll take a look at this closely, and we'll report back to you guys as we hear more news. Last but not least piece of news. Looks like stablecoin issue Tether has cut its holding of commercial paper by 58% to 8.5 billion, with a further reduction of 3.5 billion expected at the end of the month as it tackles speculation about the quality of support for its dollar peg USDT coin. Commercial paper is short-term unsecured debt issued by companies. Its value depends on the companies that issue it. The quality of Tether's holdings has been the subject of speculation, calling into question how much backing the company can count on for USDT. Tether aims to bring commercial paper figures down to zero as it diversifies its holding into the U.S. Treasury bonds. The market cap of Tether's USDT coin has plunged to 66.1 billion from 82.2 billion since May due to an increasing amount of user redemptions following the collapse of the algorithmic stable Terra UST coin. It appears Tether is just trying to position themselves out of commercial paper debt to ease the FUD circulating around the USDT coin. A lot of holders have swapped their USDT to USDC, a more transparent and trusted stablecoin because of this. So good move for Tether. I think once they get the commercial paper out, it will bring more trust into their coin, and more people will probably hold it and use it more often than since the UST crash. So yeah, still a lot of FUD going around with Tether. They are still the biggest stable coin for the US dollar, pegged US dollar out there. Second to USDC is still second right now. But USDC is definitely catching ground. Okay guys, that is pretty much it. This is going to be a long holiday weekend. Monday is 4th of July. Hope you guys have a safe 4th of July. And thank you for watching always. We appreciate you guys supporting us, and please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and spread the word. Have a great 4th of July weekend, everyone, and we'll continue to bring you news as things unfold in the crypto market. Stay safe.